In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most benevolent. I am Ayesha Rafique, your English teacher. Today we will start. Dear students, you have learned about the adjective, degrees of adjectives, and order of adjectives. But today we will learn about the types of adjective. First of all, I will tell you what is adjective. Adjectives are words to describe noun and pronoun. They tell us more about qualities, quantities, number, and condition. There are several types of adjective. First of all, we learn about the descriptive adjective. What is descriptive adjective? Descriptive adjective tells us, it is also known the qualitative adjective. What is qualitative adjective? It describes quality or a nature of a noun. For example, we can say he is a smart boy. He is a smart boy. It always answers what kind of. What kind of boy? He is a smart boy. She wore a beautiful dress. She wore a beautiful dress. What kind of dress she wore? She wore a beautiful dress. So, a descriptive adjective always describe quality or nature of a noun. So, now come to the second adjective. This is the second type is qualitative adjective. What is qualitative adjective? Qualitative adjectives always answer how much. These show the amount or quality of a something. These show the amount and quality of a something, but not exact in number. But not exact in number. For example, I have enough water in a jug. In this sentence, enough shows the qualities of qualitative adjective. Means it as a quantity of a something. She drank some juice. It also tells us the quantity of something. It also how much she drank a juice. She drank some juice. Means it tells us the quality of something. Third number is numeral adjective. What is numeral adjective? It always answers of how many and which order. For example, these indicate number and order type. For example, cardinal. In cardinal, we can say 1, 2, 3. In ordinal, we can say first, second, and third. For example, I have 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers. In this sentence, numeral adjective is 2. In this sentence, numeral adjective is 2. She bought 3 dresses. She bought 3 dresses. It always answers how many and which order. How many dresses she bought? She bought 3 dresses. So this tells us this type of adjective called numeral adjective, which tells us the answers of how many. Come to the next one. Next one is the fourth one, type of adjectives called demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative adjectives, this points to specific nouns. This points to specific noun. For example, this bag, these flowers, those chairs. which point out to specific things. Which point out to specific things is called demonstrative adjective. This is called the demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective is always about the answers the which one. Which one? It always answers the which one. Which cars is yours? This cars. Which bag is mine? This bag is mine. It always answers the which one. When we have the answer of which one, means it's called the demonstrative adjective, which tells about the to point out and specify the things. For example, when we can which cars is yours? This car is yours. Which house is mine? This house is mine. So this is the demonstrative adjective. Come to the possessive. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives shows the ownership, shows the possession. So look at example. For example, if I say this dress is mine. Which dress is mine? This dress is mine. When it answer of which, so this dress is mine. So this dress is mine. In this, mine shows the possessive adjective. Okay. This car is yours. This car is yours. So yours shows that this is the possessive. This shows the ownership. This shows the possessive. Next one is the sixth one. This type of adjective is called interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective used to ask question before a noun. Used to ask question before a noun. For example, we can say, which book do you want? कौन सी book आपको चाहिए? Which book do you want? What time is it? What time is it? So, whose bag is this? So this is called the interrogative adjective, in which we ask the question and it is used before a noun. The last one is not the very last one, but it's the last one in our class. This is the indefinite adjective. Indefinite adjective, this refers to the non-specific thing or people. It tells us about the non-specific, means we are not specified. We are not specifying the things. It refers to the non-specific thing or people. For example, there are some students in the class. For example, I have several books in my library. For example, I have met many people in the ground. For example, we can say, I have few options. So this is the last one, but not the last one. This is the last adjective in my lecture. Indefinite adjective, we always tell about the non-specific things and the non-specific people. So these are all about the adjective and its type. There are few other adjectives types. Distributive adjectives are there, and other adjectives are there. But these few adjectives are discussed in my class. Okay, thank you so much.